Welcome to a culinary journey where we'll create a vibrant, cozy vegan borscht packed with hearty vegetables and classic Eastern European flavors, all without any animal products. This nourishing and comforting soup, made with beets, cabbage, carrots, and potatoes, is perfect for cold weather, offering a delightful blend of textures and tastes. The beets contribute a naturally sweet, earthy depth, while the bright lemon juice and fresh dill are added at the end to bring all the flavors to life. To elevate your bowl, you can top it with vegan yogurt, vegan sour cream, or a creamy cashew cream, adding a rich, tangy contrast to the soup. Serve this ultimate winter comfort meal alongside some crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last drop of this delicious soup. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 medium beets peeled and diced into half-inch pieces, and 2 medium carrots, also peeled and diced. We'll also use 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced, to build the aromatic base of our borscht. For the liquid, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready, along with 2 tablespoons of rich tomato paste to deepen the flavor. You'll need 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage and 1 medium russet potato, peeled and diced into half-inch cubes to add heartiness. To brighten the soup, we'll incorporate 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh dill, plus more for serving. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste, and for serving, have vegan sour cream, non-dairy yogurt, or cashew cream, along with fresh chives or parsley. Now, let's begin with the stovetop instructions, starting with sautéing our vegetables to build a flavorful foundation. First, heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add the diced beets, carrots, and chopped onions. Cook these vegetables for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften and release their wonderful aromas. Next, add the minced garlic to the pot and cook for just 1 more minute until it becomes fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Now, stir in the vegetable broth, tomato paste, chopped cabbage, and diced potatoes. Ensure everything is well combined. Increase the heat and bring the soup to a rolling boil, then reduce it to a gentle simmer. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Cook the soup uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. Check for tenderness by piercing a potato with a fork. If the soup becomes too thick, add a little more broth or water to reach your desired consistency, ensuring it remains perfectly soupy. Once the vegetables are tender, remove the pot from the heat. This is a crucial step before adding our fresh finishing touches. Stir in the fresh lemon juice and chopped fresh dill. These ingredients add a bright, herbaceous finish that truly elevates the borscht. Finally, season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust as needed to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced to your preference. Now for the best part, serving. Ladle the warm borscht into individual bowls, ready for your chosen toppings. Top each bowl generously with vegan sour cream, non-dairy yogurt, or creamy cashew cream, creating a beautiful swirl of contrasting colors. Garnish with extra fresh dill, parsley, or chives for a final touch of freshness and visual appeal. Enjoy this comforting meal warm. This vegan borscht is not just a meal. It's a warm hug in a bowl, perfect for sharing with loved ones or savoring on a chilly evening. We hope you enjoy making and tasting this delicious, hearty soup. Happy cooking!